How to find saved recorded calls on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate all your recorded calls on your device quickly and easily. First, open the Phone app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings to open the phone settings. At this point, tap on Record Calls. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on Recorded Calls to open the list of all your saved call recordings. From there, you'll see a full list of all your recorded calls. Tap on any one to play it back directly along. Here's an important note. Some Samsung devices save call recordings in a subfolder inside the phone folder. If the recordings folder isn't showing up, open the phone folder in your internal storage and check inside it. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your saved recorded calls on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.